It's me Manoj Kumar Shah, and today I am going to solve some questions related to the vector, and this is useful for the class 8 and 9 class students only. So today I am going to make the videos for the class 9, and before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends also. Thank you. Vectors. Okay, now vector means what? The physical quantity which have both magnitude and direction is known as vector. Okay, vector means what? The physical quantity which have both magnitude and direction is called vectors. And then definition is not too much important, but in the here you can write the physical quantity, quantity which have both magnitude and direction is known as vectors. Okay, vectors. So we have a lot of examples of vectors. Physical quantity example, what we can say, velocity. Okay, then after acceleration, then after gravitational force, okay, many things. And then I hope you studies about the vector in detail in science, but in maths, okay, the physical quantity with both have magnitude and direction. So now how to find magnitude of any given vector? Okay, number one things. So first of all, our topics, magnitude. So how to find magnitude of any vector? How to find magnitude of any vector? So now, first of all, let a vector is equals to xi vector plus yj vector. Let a vector is equals to xi vector plus yj vector. Then its magnitude is denoted by a vector this and defined is okay, magnitude of any vector's formula is root under x component whole square plus y component whole square. It means here, according to this here, x square plus y square. This is the magnitude of any vector. So now example take. Example, a vector displaces into 2 points, okay, P 3, 4 and Q, okay, 4, 10. Now find the magnitude of PQ vector. If questions will come like this. So now in these questions you are going to learn two things. Okay, number one things, how to find PQ vector, and number two things, how to find magnitude. Okay, so now first of all, if any vector displaces into 2 points, okay, before solve these questions you have to understand one note. Okay, if any vector, suppose that A 3, 4, suppose that B 6, 10, these two vector, if any vector displaces into these 2 points, if you are going to find any vector, then formula remains x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. This is our formula. Okay, you can say this is in row form, that formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. So now according to this, x2 x1 y1 x2 y2 means x2 means what here, 6 minus 3, y2 means 10 minus 4. So what we can do here, 3, 6. In this way we can get AB vector. You can write in this form also. This is column form telling 3, 6 and 3, 6, same things. Okay. Now if questions will come, find BA vector, then what we'll do? BA vector. BA vector. AB vector and BA vector are two different things. Okay? So now BA vector are asking them, this is the first now. This is now x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So BA vector means formula x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1. So now BA x1 y1 x2 y2. So what we can do here? No, 3 yes 3 minus 6 4 minus 10. So what will come here? Minus 3 minus 6 now here. So from where what you understand? If you want to change BA vector into AB vector, then we have to put what? Minus sign. Yeah, BA vector, if you want to change AB vector, if direction change, then here sign is here negative. So in this way, I think all of you understand how to find AB vector, PQ vector like this. Okay. So now let's solve these questions. We have the given 2 points P and Q. First of all, find the magnitude of PQ vector. First of all, find PQ vector. So what is the formula to find PQ vector? x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1. So x2, what is the x2 there? 4. 4 minus 3, 10 minus 4. So what will come here? 1 comma 6. But this is not our answer. Question is asking, find the magnitude. So magnitude of PQ vector. PQ vector magnitude. Now we have next part. PQ vector magnitude. What is the formula? Root under x component whole square plus y component whole square. So now x component is here. 1 square plus y component is here 6 square. Now what will come? Root under 37. 6 here 36 plus 1 37 unit will come. PQ vector magnitude in this way we can find. Now we have here one question is here. The vector AB vector displaces a point A 3, minus 3 to a point 4, 1. Find AB vector, magnitude of AB vector and unit vector along AB vector. Now, okay, before solve this question, let's find out what is unit vector and how to find unit vector. Our topic is first unit vector. Unit vector. So what is unit vector? A vector whose magnitude is 1 is known as unit vector. So now unit vector is denoted by, you can write unit vector is denoted by if any you can say a cap. This is known as unit vector. So now formula. So a cap, if you are going to find unit vector of A, then A vector divided by magnitude of A vector. If you are going to find unit vector along AB, then AB vector upon magnitude of AB vector. Magnitude of AB vector. So this is about the unit vector. Unit vector how to find? We need that vector divided by its magnitude. Okay. So this is about the unit vector. So how to find out unit vector? We'll solve in this question. Okay. So now about unit vector. So now here point A is given. A given what? 3, minus 3. Okay. B point is what given? 4, 1. Question number 1 is find AB vector. Find AB vector. Okay. So I'm going to ask these questions to the Santoshi. Okay, now tell me how to find unit vector. Do you know the formula of unit vector?
x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus
x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1. Very good. Give a big hand for all of you. Very good. So now here x1 y1 x2 y2. Again say x1 y1 x2 y2. So now here formula x2 means here 4 minus 3. Here y2 1 minus plus here 3. What will come here? 1 comma 4 will come. So AB vector is this. Now second part is magnitude of AB vector. So now magnitude of AB vector. So again I am going to ask the questions with one student. How to find the magnitude of any vector? What is the formula? So Miss Sarah. So now Sarah, tell me the formula. How to find magnitude of any vector? Do you know the formula? Root under x component plus y component whole square. Okay, give a big hand for her also. Very good, sir. Magnitude of AB vector formula is what? Magnitude of AB vector formula is equal to root under x component whole square plus y component whole square. Now x component whole square. X component means what? 1 whole square plus 4 whole square. What will come? Root under 17 unit. So now we have the third question also. Find the unit vector along AB. So for the third part, so we have to find unit vector along AB means AB cap. Yeah, this is the unit vector symbol. Okay, so now before that I already said about the unit vector formula, and then this formula I am going to ask with the Mr. Pasan. Mr. Pasan, tell me what is the formula to find out the unit vector? Tell me. AB vector by
magnitude of AB.
Magnitude of AB vector. Give a big hand for him also. Very good, very good. Okay. So now we are third part of unit vector along AB vector. So this is the symbol of unit vector. Unit vector formula is AB vector and divided by magnitude of AB vector. So AB vector is what given? 1, 4. And magnitude of AB vector is what given? Root under 17. So 1 by root under 17, 4 by root under 17. Therefore, you can write in IJ form also. AB unit vector along AB is equal to 1 by root under 17 I vector plus. Okay, no need. If you don't want, then it's fine. Simply you can leave also here. Now this is the unit vector along AB. So now we have question number 2. Question number 2. If AB vector displaces A 1, 1 to B coordinate 2, 4 and CD vector displaces C 2, 1 to D 3, 2, so that AB vector is equal to CD vector. So we have here given A coordinate 1, 1, B coordinate 2, 4, C coordinate is given 2, 1 and we have given D coordinate is 3, 2. We have to prove AB vector is equal to CD vector. Now first take LHS. Now AB vector. So now if A coordinate and B coordinate is given, how to find AB vector? And that formula I am going to ask with one student, Mr. Pradeep. Mr. Pradeep, you have to say what is the formula to find AB vector?
Bracket.
Yes.
x2 minus x1, y2 minus x1.
Y2 minus y1. Yes, very good. Very good. So now AB vector formula is what? X2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. Here is the x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 means here 2 minus 1, y2 4 minus 1. What will come here? 1, 3. Therefore you can write AB vector is equal to 1, 3 means in this way also you can write, or same you can leave. So LHS. Now RHS. In RHS what given? CD vector. Again same formula. What is the formula? X2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. So here x2 means what here? 3 minus 2, 2 minus 1. What will come here? 1, 1. It means here is the some mistake. Here in the questions here 2, 1. X3 minus 2. What will come? 1. Okay, it's fine. 1 and then after here is the 4. Okay, if D coordinate is here 4, then only it will match. There is some mistake error in the question. Now x2 minus x1, 3 minus 2. What will come? 1. y2 minus y1 means 4 minus 1. Here 4 minus 1. So what we can write here? 1, 3. So now this therefore CD vector is equal to we can write 1, 3. Here look, AB vector and CD vector both value are same. Therefore AB vector is equal to CD vector. You can say LHS is equal to RHS also you can write, and here you can write proved. You can say. So now we have the next questions. If A, B, C and D are 4 points with vertices A 2, -2, B 6, 4, C x, y and D 3, -5 such that AB vector is equals to CD vector, find the coordinates of C. Okay, so now first of all here given A 2, -2, B 6, 4, C x, y and we have given D 3, -5. So we have here given condition AB vector is equal to CD vector. Okay, this is our given condition. So now first of all what to find? We all AB vector. We can find all AB vector. Then after we have to find CD vector. And then we'll equate AB vector and CD vector. Okay, so let's find first AB vector. First find AB vector. What is the formula? x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1. So what is AB vector? x2 6 minus 2 x2 minus x1 y2 4 minus plus what will come here? 4 comma 6 will come. Okay, AB vector like this. Then after what to find? CD vector. CD vector formula again x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1. So now CD vector x2 minus x2 minus x1 y2 minus y minus 5 comma minus 5 y2 minus y1. So in equations 1 we have given condition. Yeah, we have what given here? AB vector is equals to CD vector. AB vector value is what given? 4 comma 6 and CD vector value is what given? 3 minus x comma minus 5 minus y. We can do equating the corresponding element. Yeah, equating the corresponding element. Equating the corresponding elements. We can equate the corresponding elements. Then what we can write equating the corresponding? 4 is equals to what we can write? 4 is equals to 3 minus x. 3 minus x. X is equals to 3 minus 4. Therefore x value what comes? 1. Now what we can do? 6 is equals to 6 is equals to minus 5 minus y. So now here minus 5 minus 6 here. Y value what come? Minus 11. Minus 11.
Minus 1.
Okay, yeah, thank you very much. Here 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Thank you very much, students. Okay, so now x y value in this way we got. So now C coordinate what comes? Cxy is equals to Cxy is equals to x value minus 1 comma minus 11. In this way we can solve these questions. Okay, so that the following vectors are parallel. Here A vector and B vector are given here. We have to show A vector is parallel to the B vector. In the question number B, PQ vector is given here and RS vector is given and we have to show these are parallel vectors. First of all, what are parallel vectors? Okay, that you have to understand. First of all, parallel vectors. Okay, let A vector and B vector are two vectors. If A vectors and two vectors are two vectors, then A vector is parallel to B vector when A vector is equals to K times B vector. So this is the condition for the parallel vector. Okay, so what are the condition? What are the condition two vectors are parallel? A vector is K times B vector. K times means any number, scalar quantity this. Here PQ and RS given, then PQ vector is equal to K times RS vector. Then in that case A vector parallel to B vector. In that case PQ vector parallel to RS vector. So now to show the parallel we have to show A vector is equal to K times B vector. To show PQ and RS parallel, PQ vector is equal to K times RS vector. Okay, I think you understood about the parallel condition. Okay, let's solve question number this one. 1a. So 1a solution very easy. A number, A vector is given 1 2, yeah, right same, and B vector is given 2 4. Okay, 2 4 is given. So what we can take from here common? 2. We can take from here 2 common. Then what remains here? 1 2. Yeah, 1 2 only remains because 2 on the 2 to the 4. So now 2 here. And 1 2 is the value of what? Equation 1, look here. 1 2 is the value of what? A vector. So here we can put A vector. So therefore here is what? B vector. So now here is the B vector is equal to 2A vector. It means what? B vector is equal to K times A vector. This 2 means K. Okay. Therefore at the last we can write B vector is parallel to A vector or A vector is parallel to B vector. In this way we can prove. So question number this A in this way we can prove. And question number B. Question number B, how to show parallel? Now given here PQ vector is equal to what is given? PQ vector is equal to -4 -6 given here. So what we can take common? Minus what we can take common? 2. So what remains here? What remains here? 2 3. 2 3 remains here. PQ vector is equal to this. Now we have another vector, RS vector. RS vector is, you can say this is the 1. RS vector is what given? 2 3. Now this is the 2. In the place of 2 3 we can write RS 1. So now from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2 we can write what? PQ vector is equal to -2. In the place of 2 3, in the place of 2 3 we can write what? RS vector. Therefore this is the PQ vector is K times RS vector, and this is the condition for the parallel. Therefore we can say PQ parallel to RS vector. Prove. Next questions. Find the value of A when the pairs of vectors are parallel. Here A vector value 1A given, B vector value 2 4 given. Here A vector and B vector are parallel. So we have to find this value of A. So first of all, how to solve question number A? Okay, A vector is given what? 1A. Is it? B vector value is what given? 2 4. Here AB vector parallel to B vector given. So what is the condition? Okay, now what is the condition for the parallel vector? A vector and B vector are parallel. At what condition? That questions I'm going to ask with Rita. Okay, tell me what is the condition for the two vectors are parallel?
A vector is equal to K times B vector.
A vector is equal to K times B vector. Giving and for her. Now here, when two vectors are parallel, when A vector is equal to K times B vector. So now, yeah, A vector is equal to K times B vector. So now A vector value is what given? We can write 1A. So you can write 1 comma A also. You can write like this. K times B vector. B vector value is what? 2 4. 2 comma 4. In this way we can write or not?
Yeah.
So now we can do multiply 1 comma A. We can multiply what? 2K. And now what comes? 4K. Yes. Equating the corresponding element. Now we can do what? Equating the corresponding element. Equating the corresponding element. Equating the corresponding elements we can write. Equating the corresponding element. It means 1 is equal to 2K. Therefore K value is what comes? 1 by 2. But this is not our answer. Okay. Now 4K is equal to what we can write? A, or A is equal to 4K, same things. Now what we can write? Now what? A is equal to what we can write? 4K. So but here K value is what given? 1 by 2. So 4 into K value is here 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 we can write. Therefore A is equal to what come? 2 to the 4. 2. This is our answer. In this way we can find value of A. We have given here P vector is given 3A 4 and Q vector is given -6 -8, and P vector and Q vector are parallel. Then according to questions we can write what? P vector is equal to K times Q vector. So now P vector 3A comma 4 we can write. K times Q vector is -6 comma -8 we can write. 3A comma 4 multiply now -6K -8K. Okay, so now equating the corresponding element. First equating the corresponding element. Equating the corresponding element, what we can write? 4 is equal to, first of all, right? 4 is equal to -8K. Therefore K is equal to what come? 4 divided by -8 means -1 by 2. In this way we get the value of K -1 by 2. But this is not our answer. We have to find A value. So now what we can write? Now 3A is equal to -6K, and K value replace here. -6 into -1 by 2 minus plus, or 3A is equal to what comes? 3 Therefore a is equals to what come? 1. 3 divided by 3, 1. In this way we can find out this value. And thank you very much, Mr. Ayush. You help us to take a lot of videos from my heart. Thank you very much. And those are watching this YouTube, don't forget to subscribe my videos. Thank you.